I've been a general surgeon now for 30 years. A lot of that was in the military. I was at numerous medical centers as well as community hospitals in the military. I did deploy to Iraq twice, as well as Honduras and Haiti, providing trauma and critical care for those populations as well. And after I got out, eventually made my way here to Onega, Kansas, where I've been here now for the last 5 years doing rural surgery. As a general surgeon, I do the pretty much full gamut of general surgery. However, I do a couple procedures that I don't think most general surgeons do in small community hospitals such as ourselves. One is the Shouldice repair. That's a meshless tissue repair that we do for inguinal hernias mostly. I believe with the Shouldice repair, I think this is one of those procedures that make us unique in Northeast Kansas. Another procedure that we do is the sleeve gastrectomy. I do bariatric surgery, and that's be able to help patients who do have problems with weight. One of the reasons why I came to CHCS in Onega was because I wanted to be able to provide state-of-the-art type of surgeries here in a rural setting. I love taking care of the people here. They're very hardworking folks, so they really recognize the hard work I think that we do here at Community Healthcare System.